Okay, I'm out here. I'm out here by an old railroad bed. Old railroad bed that's been torn up for years. And down here, I see an old insulator. Let's see if I can get that. Let's see if we can get that. Look, getting hurt going down this hill. Look at that insulator. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, it's part of one. Yeah. Part of an old insulator. Wow. Any more? Let's see. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Wow. Well, I'll take that out so no one get hurt. Going down this hill might get caught. Kind of sharp on those edges. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll be looking for some more old relics along the old railroad beds.